everyone, welcome to this video. I recently moved from my 1100 square foot house into a 400 square foot tiny house. I didn't have much time to move, so all of my belongings came with me. Everything was shoved into this small room in my tiny house, and now I'm going to take it all out and turn it into my office.
This doesn't have to be the night of fun and then we leave. Oh, I wanna make it last with you. Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what scares you most. What's your favorite song? Do you think we're alone? Yeah, let's talk, not just touch. Tell me what moves you most. What's your favorite film? Would you quit being alone to be with me? I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. Oh, you love me from my brain, not my body. I wanna know everything about you. I wanna know everything about you. We don't have to keep it going by tapping screens. We don't have to fit with the trend of pretend.
10 past 12, sitting crisscross on the floor, scrolling through photos from way before. Got my head missing how we used to be, wishing I could see you just to say that you can think it through. I just can't get over you. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? I don't think you want it as bad as you know I do. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? Talk till 3, spent the night in your accord, wrapped in my jacket to keep you warm. Woke to see it was more than just a dream, wishing I could see you just the same. But you can think it through, I just can't get over you. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? I don't think you want it bad as you know I do. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? Oh, how do I keep you? Oh, how do I keep you? I want you to be happy even without me. What I'd give to make you feel right. So you can think it through, I just can't get over you. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? I don't think you want it bad as you know I do. How do I keep you from slipping through my hands? Oh, how do I keep you? Oh, how
Say hey.
I keep you? You can think it through, I just can't get over you.
Thanks, Mom.
It's too late now to turn around and back again. I made my bed and now I lay my head in it. And I'm sorry I'm not perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, perfect, but I knew that I wouldn't be. I guess it's for the best, you know the worst in me. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was. So do you wanna take me back? All of our broken plans, so we can start again. Won't turn down a second chance, I'm too selfish for that. I let you.
This is a scroll from Thailand after World War II.
Being good, but I never said I was. And I feel misunderstood, cause I'm trying hard to love. I'm sorry, my actions, they haunt me, and I'll never live it down. I'm no good at being good, but I never said I was.
I'm not looking at my phone. Won't text back, pick up your call. If you wanna hit me up, well I really care. 'Cause I'm having a house party, not staying up till morning. Sleep then I watch a movie. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party, and no one else can join me. Just gonna keep it low-key. I do what I want, yeah, do what I want. 'Cause I'm having a house party.
Thank you for helping me.
You're welcome.
I love my mama. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. We are almost at 100K, which is crazy. I love all of you so much. Bye.
Oh baby, now let me warm you up. Baby, please let me love you much. Come on with